Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the company and silver update for Endeavour Silver on Commodity TV. Expected silver mine production for 2024 is around 830 million ounces silver worldwide. Including recycling of 179 million ounces silver, will the supply be just over 1 billion ounces silver. Demand is already expected at around 1.22 billion ounces of silver. Maybe it will be a little bit more. This gives a deficit, including ETP products, around 265 million ounces of silver. We expect this higher, closer to 300 million ounces silver, the deficit. Let's see. This is the 6th year of the silver deficit, including ETPs, as they are often left out in the balance, but they are real, ladies and gentlemen. We see silver much higher in 2025, and the next target is $41 per ounce, which we expect in the first half of 2025. Given the tight physical markets and the normal economic growth worldwide, we could expect also silver above the $50 mark. Ongoing then. A growing silver producer is Endeavour Silver. The company faced some trouble at their Guanaceví mine, but they are now solved. They announced the successful fabrication and installation of its primary ball mill trunnion at the Guanaceví mine. The Guanaceví processing resumed to full capacity this week after the trunnion failure in August this year. After a 15-week period of operating at a reduced capacity averaging 620 tons per day, the newly fabricated trunnion was installed on 30th November with alignment testing occurring over the ensuing 2 weeks, restoring the plant to its design capacity of 1,200 tons per day. The total cost of the fabrication installation was just over $400,000. Also, the Terronera mine is on schedule to start in Q1 2025 the production, which will be a game changer for Endeavour Silver. Terronera would add 7 million ounces silver equivalent per year in production at costs around $2 per ounce of silver. This could be lower as gold prices are higher, which adds fantastically in byproduct credits. The life of mine is plus 10 years, and there is lots of exploration potential. In addition comes then Pitarrilla project, which will shoot Endeavour Silver into the senior silver producers universe. The company just raised $73 million to advance this on the fast track forward. With almost 700 million ounces silver equivalent in the measured and indicated category, is this a top world-class project with a production start by 2030 to 2032, which is our expectation, of course. Endeavour has refurbished an existing underground ramp and extended it over 1.3 kilometers. The ramp has been developed through the projected feeder structures, and crosscuts have been made for drill stations to further interpret and test the high-grade zones and its feeder structures with core drilling at various angles. The ramp lies directly above the manto. During development of the ramp, additional mineralized structures were also identified, including the Norma vein, Dana hanging wall vein, and the Pina dike. Since August, the company completed 9 diamond drill holes, 6 from surface and 3 from underground drill stations. The 3 holes from underground were targeted to intersect the manto and multiple veins, while the holes drilled from surface were directed to intersect the Casas Blancas vein. All holes successfully intersected the target mineralization, supporting management's geological interpretation and the potential of underground bulk tonnage mining. The pointed figure chart is solid, and the stock price reacted normal, of course weaker, onto the trunnion failure and the silver price correction, which shall be soon over. We stick to our price target of $9 Canadian and longer term $13 Canadian and 50 cents. You find all information also on our Commodity TV app in German and English, plus all about commodities. We are happy for a like, but more important, please subscribe to our TV channels. Please note the disclaimer. The share discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland, and Happy New Year!